Okay, before beginning this video, I must warn you about the fact that this is just educational purpose video. Yeah, that is, but about the fact that you might not be able to find a WEP connection because everybody is using WPA, WPA2. So we might not be able to practically see this, at least not at this moment. I have to, I guess, configure my phone in certain way so that it produces WPA protect encryption and I say encryption. So not encryption. Yeah. So whatever is that, I just forgot the full form of wired equivalence protection. Yeah, okay, whatever. So yeah, we'll be doing that. So first step is to crack the WP need you need to have. So we might not be able to practically see this, but we'll try. But we'll try, okay? But whatever we can get, we'll try. Anyway, capture a large number of packets, IV, like really large, like 10,000 or something number of packets. Like you have to do it on a busy network, WEP, and that WEP also running a busy network. In that case, that's so crazy to find something like that. But okay, analyze and captured IVs, that is initialized vectors, random initialized vectors, and crack the key. Key basically means the password of the hotspot or Wi-Fi. Anyway, to crack the WEP, we need to capture a large number of IVs or packets, as I said. Packets, you know how to capture packets. We know that how to do that using dump ng. We have to mention BSS ID, we have to mention channel name, and you have to mention the file name you want to store those packets into. And then you have to mention your Wi-Fi interface, that is your Wi-Fi card name. So we'll see that even if you have forgotten or even if you're not in the past video, you can just see that. Analyze and capture the IVs and crack the key. So you have to analyze and crack the password. Using that, using aircrack ng, we can do that. Using aircrack ng, we can do that. Anyway, so we have to run dump ng, so it will show order the Wi-Fi connection nearby, and if it is using WEP encryption. So yeah, this is using test AB3 in this case. So after that, what we would be doing, we would be running, you see the BSS ID of this hotspot or Wi-Fi hotspot, which is test AB3 having encryption WEP, has BSS ID of F823B2B950A, same. So you just basically copied it, and you have to see the channel name is one, so we put it that, and you just do hi-fi hyphen right, and we just save it in some file, and we just give our Wi-Fi card's name, and we press enter. So when we press enter, this only, right? So when we press enter, so we get a lot of results. So as you can see, so many frames, so many data is getting transferred through this WEP network, since it's a busy network. And even if you are unable to get it done, unable to get so many data, so this Z security has a way around it. So whatever it is, it's going fine. So we have to just after it, if it, I know it's keeping on running, but the thing is, when you ls and when you search for, and then you find that whatever file we were trying to store our packets or packets or IVs, so its name is shown when I press ls while this is running in the background, that time only. And then you just now this is the time to capture the IVs and crack the keys. So we just type in aircrack ng basic aircrack. Now this is some new software, aircrack ng basic. Okay, so this will help you crack the password of your, so that it keeps on running, and after analyzing, it finds the key. This is an ASCII AS223P, so this will also work, but mostly you might not get in some cases the ASCII, but you will if this code is successful, if the air cracking is successful, if cracking the WEP connection is successful, so you will be getting this. So you have to just copy this and just remove the hyphens from them. So we just copy it and just remove the hyphen from them. Sorry, 7 is not what do I say, it's not selected, but this entire thing is the password basically. And you go into some other hotspot, or in your own Kali Linux network place, network manager, and you just paste the password there without the hyphen, and you see that it would just get joined, and you just search on it. So we have search Google, search will work. So let me just pause it, and I'll come back after we have set up the environment. Okay, I think everything is working. Let's just check. It's working. Yeah, it's working. So you're back in the environment. So what is the first thing we need to do as per the instructions? So as per the instructions, um, so we will be running Iridum and NG to search for some networks like that. I don't think it will become successful because Aerodump. Yeah, let's not type it. Whenever I type it, I end up creating errors. So let's just search for Aerodump NG. Aeroplay, Aerodump NG, LAN 0. Oh, before setting it to LAN 0, oh, let's try Aerodump NG LAN 0 straight up. Let's see what error we get. Crazy, right? So I don't even need to set it to, you know, I don't even need to set it to monitor mode. It automatically gets into monitor mode. Crazy. So let's search for encryption having WEP. So I don't think in this lifetime we will find anything like that. I think like that. Anything like that. Let's just wait for a few minutes. Let me just pause the video and I'll come back when we find something like that. So after trying to put my ass in this, I kind of figured out that newer devices do not support WEP. I doubt the Windows would able to even support creating a Wi-Fi hotspot secured with WEP. Though I'll try to, I couldn't find, as I told you, I literally could not find any devices with WEP. All are WP, WPA, and WPA. So anyway, but what I did is, so you can create on like mobile hotspot, mobile hotspot is an option here, and so basically I created. So it has frequencies to shift, but there's no security encryption option here. It supports WPA too, I suppose. So who cares? So for now, yeah, I think we have to give up on this. So the sad thing is we wouldn't be able to ever try these commands. We couldn't capture IVs, but ever if in our life such things pop up, so I can refer to this video, my own video, and hack it. Till then, be safe, keep hacking, and so sad, bro.